People's Vigilance Committee on Human Rights founded in 1996 for the rights of the most marginalized people in this community based on the rule of law, non-violence and the democracy. We are using everything. So we are using Twitter, Facebook, bloggers. We are putting mass mailing. We are putting the selective mailings. We are using our website and news portal like mynews.in and the sarokar.net, visport.com and like that. And through that we break really a big debates among the policymakers. Photos and videos speaks to everybody. They understand without any language. Maybe they don't understand the language, but they understand the whole stories.
Myself Anup, I am a senior manager of the PVCHR, People's Vigilance Committee on Human Rights. We are working for the grassroots level, and we just help to the people to encourage their voice, their rights, and sometimes we use the media for the advocacy. Our audience is not so literate, so there is a problem of language, like written language. So movie and the picture is very good tools for understand their conditions, their voice.
I am also from not a very developed area, a small town, but I can see that all the children's youngsters are all on the Facebook. When I put any testimonies, any incidents, I found they like, they share, they lot of the comments. In the community, we can show the testimony of our survivors. If we will show their video, it will inspire to the other people. They will also speak up. And through this, they will learn that how the people are facing the problem. Then also they are fighting for the rights.
When we saw him on the screen, he is very proud because nobody want to talk with that people. They are very deprived people, so nobody wants to talk with him. Nobody wants to sit beside him. That is very courageous for the victims.
If you have the strong videos, direct interview, and you will bring this direct interview to the community, that will give real emotions, real anger, real fears, real human behaviors amongst their own people.
Just 1 year before, we put an urgent appeal in the Facebook. One person from Delhi, whose name is Ashok, he is having an organization named Sayog. When he looked our urgent appeal, he immediately filed the PIL, Public Litigation Interest, in the Supreme Court. And from that, the case is being heard in the Supreme Court, and after that, the survivors get a relief through the compensation. While the incident was happening, somebody from the mobile took that video. So it directly shows that how the police is targeting to the people, how they are beating.
We brought this whole videos on the YouTube, and more than 30,000 people looked, and hundreds of people commented on that. And this video is used by the Human Rights Watch, Al Jazeera, BBC.
Before that, when we take the statement of the survivors, it was not very much clear. We don't know how to do editing, how to take the useless things. We record their statement, we put on the YouTube. But after this workshop, we learned how to create a good video, how to make a better campaign of our work.
After this workshop, we have a very good sense how to use a picture as a story, and we understand very well what the audience want to see.
In the future, we are going to create a lot of videos putting on the YouTubes, and we create the productions also, sent to policymakers, like video petitions in the high profile cases, video discussions, like that, and what is going on in the villages. Also, we will bring to the community, other community, what the best models they will learn from there, so they will also fight, start their fight in their areas also, like that.